IISF एक बहुप्रतीक्षित कार्यक्रम है जिसमें विज्ञान, प्रौद्योगिकी और नवाचार के क्षेत्र में भारत की उपलब्धियों का उत्सव मनाया जाता है। IISF का उद्देश्य समाज के सभी वर्गों में विज्ञान के प्रति जागरूकता का प्रसार करना है। IISF छात्र छात्राओं, शिक्षकों, शोधकर्ताओं, नवाचारकों, वैज्ञानिकों, शिल्पकारों, नीति निर्धारकों आदि सभी वर्गों को एक ऐसा मंच प्रदान करता है जहां विज्ञान के माध्यम से समाज के विकास पर विचार मंथन किया जा सके। IISF का आयोजन 2015 से किया जा रहा है। अभी तक 5 IISF आयोजित हो चुके हैं। इस वर्ष इंडिया इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेस्टिवल का 6वां संस्करण 22 से 25 दिसंबर 2020 तक वर्चुअल स्वरूप में आयोजित किया जा रहा है।
विज्ञान भारती और विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी मंत्रालय, पृथ्वी विज्ञान मंत्रालय और स्वास्थ्य एवं परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय के अधीन सभी विभागों के सहयोग से संचालित इस मेगा साइंस फेस्टिवल के आयोजन की जिम्मेदारी इस बार वैज्ञानिक तथा औद्योगिक अनुसंधान परिषद को दी गई है।
छठे IISF के आयोजन के लिए नोडल संस्था CSIR नई दिल्ली स्थित राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान, प्रौद्योगिकी और विकास अध्ययन संस्थान यानी CSIR NISTADS है।
IISF 2020 के दौरान भारतीय विज्ञान की भूमिका को उजागर करने वाले और मौजूदा महामारी से लड़ने के लिए विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी के विभिन्न पहलुओं पर 41 आयोजन किए जाएंगे, जिनमें इस बार भारतीय विज्ञान का इतिहास, दर्शन और विज्ञान, एग्रीटेक, स्वच्छ वायु, ऊर्जा, अपशिष्ट और स्वच्छता, जैव विविधता और विज्ञान कूटनीति जैसे नए प्रासंगिक विषयों को जोड़ा गया है। वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म के चलते इस बार IISF की पहुंच भी बढ़ गई है। माना जा रहा है कि इस बार लगभग 1 लाख से ज्यादा प्रतिभागी विज्ञान के इस महासमागम में शामिल हो सकते हैं। वैज्ञानिकों, अन्वेषकों, छात्रों और नागरिकों को जीवन के विभिन्न विषयों में आपसी आदान प्रदान का ये मंच अब एक बहुप्रतीक्षित वार्षिक कार्यक्रम बन गया है, जहां विज्ञान, प्रौद्योगिकी और नवाचार की उपलब्धियों का जश्न मनाया जाता है।
We welcome you all in attendance for your participation in the event titled Most People Washing Hands Simultaneously Online, to be held on the 23rd of December 11 a.m. onwards. This initiative is a great opportunity for you all joining in to be an integral part of the record event. The requirements of the event include soap or liquid hand wash, 2 paper towels or a fabric towel, and the correct method of rinsing your hand. The event could be performed either under running water or bottled water with container.
Hand washing is the easiest and remarkably powerful method to reduce the transmission of deadly diseases such as coronavirus. Wet your hands with running water, either warm or cold. Take an adequate amount of soap to cover all the surfaces of your hand. Rub well palm to palm to obtain a good lather. Now rub your palm over the back of the other palm with your fingers interlaced for both the hands. Now rub your palmar surfaces together, keeping the fingers interlaced. Next, rub your knuckles to opposing palms, keeping the fingers interlaced. Clasp and rub your thumb with opposing palms to clean them. Repeat for both the hands. Clasp the fingertips of your right hand in the palm of your left hand and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Same goes for the other hand. Now cleaning the wrists, rinse both your hands thoroughly with running water. Turn off the tap using your elbow without touching the tap. Your hands are now clean and safe.
For the manual setup, steps to hand washing. Wet your hands with sufficient amount of water. Apply liquid hand wash. Rub your palms together to form lather. Rub the back of both your hands. Interface fingers and rub your hands together. Rub the thumb in rotating manner, followed by the area between the fingers and thumb for both your hands. Rub your fingertips on your palm for both hands, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Rub both wrists in rotating manner. Rinse your hand thoroughly to remove all the soap. Wipe your hands with a clean fabric towel or paper towel. If a paper towel is used, dispose it in the dustbin.
Welcome to all in attendance for their participation in the event titled Most People Applying Protective Masks Simultaneously Online, to be organized on the 24th December 11 am onwards. This initiative is a great opportunity for everyone joining to be an integral part of a potential successful event. For the record, a sanitizer and protective face mask, also called a surgical mask, is to be worn to cover the mouth and nose. The beginning of the event will be marked by a loud start signal when all the participants should start applying protective masks with clean and sanitized hands. The mask should cover the participant's face from nose to chin within 10 seconds. Another signal after 10 seconds would confirm that the time given to wear the mask is over.
How to wear your mask correctly. Inspect the mask for any tears or damage. Place the mask on your face, covering the nose, mouth and the chin, ensuring there is no gap between the face and the mask. How to take off your mask. Remove the straps from behind the head and ears without touching the front and discard immediately in a dustbin.
It is a must that the mask should be worn correctly on the face. Mask should not be worn below nose, below the mouth or below the chin. The total number of participants failing to wear mask in 10 seconds would be discounted from the total. It is essential for the participants to wear their own mask without any help from others. On applying the mask, they must remain on the participant's face for 5 minutes. Failing to do so would result in discounting them from the total. After completion of 5 minutes, a 10-second countdown will be given, following which the participants will take the Wear a Mask pledge with their face mask on.